Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic I know is close to many of our hearts: how to make them regret losing you. Now, before you think this is about revenge, let me stop you right there. This isn't about them. This is about you reclaiming your power, rediscovering your worth, and stepping into the best version of yourself. We're talking about real, lasting change that comes from within. Get ready to take some notes because this is going to be good. So, you're hurting. You feel like someone's taken a piece of you and it's tempting to wallow, maybe even send a few angry texts. But let me tell you, the best revenge? Living well. And that starts with you. This isn't about becoming someone you're not. It's about uncovering the best version of yourself. Think about it. What have you always wanted to try? What are you passionate about? Maybe you've always wanted to learn a new language, take up painting, or start that business you've been dreaming of. Now is the time. When we invest in ourselves, something magical happens. We build confidence, we feel empowered, and we start attracting the right kind of energy into our lives. And you know what? That kind of glow, it's noticeable. People can't help but see it, feel it. And let's be honest, there's nothing more attractive than someone who is confident and comfortable in their own skin. So I want you to promise me something. Promise me you'll invest in yourself. Take that class, book that trip, start that project. You deserve it. Now, I know what you're thinking. Easier said than done, Oprah. Believe me, I get it. Letting go is hard. It's painful. But it is also necessary. Holding on to anger, resentment, or sadness only hurts one person, you. It's like drinking poison and expecting the other person to get sick. Forgiveness isn't about them. It's about freeing yourself from that negative energy. It's about making space for joy, for peace, for love. And you know the amazing thing about finding happiness within yourself? It makes you magnetic. People are drawn to joy, to authenticity. When you radiate happiness, you become a beacon of light, not just for yourself, but for everyone around you. And trust me, nothing stings quite like seeing someone you underestimated thriving and radiating joy. It's the ultimate proof that you don't need them to be happy. Let go of the past, embrace the present, and watch how your life transforms. Listen, we weren't meant to go through life alone. We need our people, our tribe, our cheerleaders in the corner. Surround yourself with those who lift you up, who believe in you, who celebrate your victories, and offer comfort during setbacks. And you know what? Sometimes that means having tough conversations. It means letting go of relationships that no longer serve you, that drain your energy instead of filling your cup. Remember, you teach people how to treat you. Don't be afraid to set boundaries to protect your peace. True friends, true family will understand. They'll respect your space, your growth, your journey. And when you have that kind of unwavering support, you can achieve anything. Have you ever wanted to try something new, but fear held you back? Maybe it was learning to dance, taking a pottery class, or even just trying a new restaurant. Life is too short to be stuck in a rut. Embrace new experiences, explore your passions, and don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone. Think back to your childhood. What brought you joy? What made your heart sing? Sometimes rediscovering old passions can be just as fulfilling as finding new ones. And the best part? You never know who you might meet along the way. New hobbies open doors to new friendships, new connections, and new possibilities. So go ahead, take that cooking class, sign up for that dance workshop, buy that plane ticket. Adventure awaits. Remember that dream you've been putting off? That goal you've been too scared to pursue? It's time to dust it off and go after it with everything you've got. Success is the best revenge, my friends. And I'm not just talking about professional success, although that's fantastic too. I'm talking about personal success. Reaching a fitness goal, finishing that writing project, finally tackling that home renovation. These are all victories worth celebrating. When you set goals and crush them, you prove to yourself and to the world that you are capable of amazing things. And you know what? That kind of determination, that drive, that fire in your belly, it's contagious. It inspires others. It shows the world what you're made of. So write down your goals, break them down into smaller steps, and then go after them with everything you've got. The world is waiting to be amazed by you. Gap 3S. While chasing dreams and achieving goals are crucial steps in moving forward after a breakup, let's not forget one of the most important aspects: taking care of yourself. Self-care isn't just a buzzword, it's a vital practice that helps you heal, grow, and thrive. Imagine your well-being as a garden. After a storm, it's essential to remove the debris, tend to the damaged areas, and nourish the soil to encourage new growth. In the same way, after a breakup, it's crucial to be kind to yourself. Take time to rest, eat nourishing foods, and engage in activities that bring you joy and peace. Whether it's a quiet evening with a good book, a long walk in nature, or indulging in a hobby you love, these moments of self-care are not just luxuries, they are necessities. They help you rebuild your strength and regain your sense of self. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. By prioritizing your mental, emotional, and physical health, you become better equipped to face challenges and seize opportunities. So treat yourself with the same kindness and compassion you would offer a dear friend. You deserve it. Gap 2S. Now, take a deep breath, let go of any lingering negativity, and embrace the healing power of self-care. You're on a journey of transformation, and every step you take towards self-love is a step towards a brighter, more fulfilling future. Gap 2S. Stay strong, stay positive, and most importantly, take care of you. The best is yet to come. Gap 3S. As you navigate the journey of self-discovery and healing, one of the most powerful tools at your disposal is your support network. Friends and family play a crucial role in helping you rebuild and find your footing after a breakup. Imagine your support network as the roots of a tree. While the branches may sway and even break during a storm, the roots remain strong and grounded, providing stability and nourishment. Gap 2S. Your loved ones are there to lift you up when you feel down, to offer a listening ear, and to remind you of your worth. Don't be afraid to lean on them during tough times. Reach out, share your feelings, and let them be a part of your healing process. Sometimes, just knowing that someone is there for you can make all the difference. Gap 2S. Building a strong support network also means being open to new connections. Join groups, attend events, and engage in activities where you can meet like-minded people. Surrounding yourself with positive, supportive individuals can provide a sense of community and belonging, helping you feel less isolated. Gap 2S. Remember, it's okay to ask for help. Whether it's seeking advice, sharing a meal, or simply enjoying each other's company, these moments of connection are invaluable. They remind you that you are not alone on this journey and that there are people who care about your well-being. Gap 2S. So take a moment to appreciate the friends and family who stand by you. Express your gratitude and let them know how much their support means to you. Together, you can weather any storm and emerge stronger than ever. Gap 2S. Embrace the power of connection and let your support network be the foundation upon which you build your new life. With their love and encouragement, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Gap 2S. Stay connected, stay supported, and remember, you are never alone. The journey may be challenging, but with your support network by your side, you are unstoppable. Gap 3S. Gap 3S. Now that you've built a solid support network and embraced your journey of self-improvement, it's time to focus on setting new goals. Setting new personal and professional goals is a powerful way to channel your energy and drive towards something meaningful. It gives you a sense of direction and purpose, helping you stay motivated and focused on your path to success. Gap 2S. Start by reflecting on what truly matters to you. What are your passions? What have you always wanted to achieve but never had the time or confidence to pursue? Write down your thoughts and create a list of goals that resonate with your core values and aspirations. Gap 2S. Remember, goals can be big or small. Whether it's learning a new skill, advancing in your career, or taking up a new hobby, every step forward counts. Break down your larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks. This will make them less overwhelming and more attainable, allowing you to celebrate small victories along the way. Gap 2S. Stay committed to your goals by setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound objectives or SMART goals. This approach will help you stay on track and measure your progress effectively. Gap 2S. Don't be afraid to adjust your goals as you grow and evolve. Life is full of unexpected twists and turns, and it's important to remain flexible and adaptable. The key is to stay focused on your overall vision while being open to new opportunities and experiences. Gap 2S. Surround yourself with people who support and encourage your ambitions. Share your goals with your support network and let them be your cheerleaders. Their encouragement can provide the extra push you need to keep going, even when the going gets tough. Gap 2S. Setting new goals is not just about achieving success. It's about personal growth and self-discovery. It's about pushing your limits and realizing your full potential. So take that first step, set your sights high, and believe in your ability to achieve greatness. The future is yours to shape, and with determination and perseverance, you can accomplish anything you set your mind to. Gap 3S. We've covered so much today, from self-improvement and finding inner happiness to building a strong support system and chasing your dreams. Remember, this journey is about you, about becoming the best version of yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more inspiring content. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Now go out there and make them regret losing you. You are powerful, you are worthy, and you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. I believe in you.